Hi guys, welcome to IND's YouTube channel. My name is Imran Arshad and I'm from Eventuri. We've flown over from London to check out this beautiful 992 GT3 RS. We are here for intake development, so I'm going to let Bilal take over from here.
So the plan is to get the car up on the rack, take the bumper off, have a look at the stock airbox, see how that works. Then I will remove the stock airbox and then 3D scan the area ready for intake development. Now we have had an experience of this car around North America. Thankfully, Ryan took us around as a passenger and it was absolutely phenomenal. So I hand over to Ryan, he can give you a bit of intro.
Thanks guys. So after we get the car from the rack with 3D with Eventuri, we're going to throw a Sharkwerks exhaust on. So kind of louden the car up a little bit, a little more fun for the track. And just kind of make it a little more lively. So what was the car like on the track compared to the previous generation? It was, the suspension setup is way better improved over the 991 generation, even over the 991.2, which is a little bit stiffer than 991.1. The grip is insane in this car. Even on street tires, we're just running Pirelli Corsas that we're given from the factory. Compared to another car we had out there that was on full slicks, I mean, this car is going to be competing with some of those cars, fully race cars with full slick setups. It's going to be unbelievable. We really didn't get to dive into any like custom suspension settings too much. The track, we're just kind of getting the baseline set. So in the coming weeks, we're going to dial those in a little bit better and have some more content coming out. I was super impressed with how stable this car was on the road and the amount of grip it had. I really enjoyed that track. Last time I've been there, super fast, and the car was very impressive. But let's get it on the rack now and start the intake development.
So the car's been on the rack, it's been dismantled, 3D scanned, well, that's what we found.
So initial impressions are that it looks very similar to the non-RS, so the standard 992 GT3. I scanned that when I was at IME last year. So anyway, I have the data. I'm going to go ahead and unpack it when I get back to the UK, put it all together, then we'll start the design process. And I'm going to try and increase the volume as much as I can. The stock airbox is actually really well designed, as you'd expect from Porsche. The current filters are from BMC, so overall it's a really good package to start with, but I'm sure we can make some improvements, so we'll take it from there when we get back here in the UK.
So Ryan, you've also fitted something else on the bike.
Yeah, so Alex and Sharkwerks sent, we got an exhaust from him for the new 992 GT3. It's the same for the RS models. We wanted the brush finish on this one. While the bumper is off, I figured it'd probably be best to get it all done there. You can do it with the bumper on, but it makes it a little bit easier to get the bumper off. That way you don't have to take the headers off or anything like that. So let's have it here. It sounds pretty good.
Let us know what you think about the exhaust sound in the comments, guys.
Oh.